Okay, so yesterday when I removed the air box from this Honda CRF300L and removed the air filter, I noticed that it was extremely dirty. Now, this air filter has about 1,000 miles on it, which is not very much considering the service interval is 12,000 miles. And it does say at the bottom of the chart to service more frequently in dusty or dry or extreme conditions. And I would pay close attention to that note, which is the point of this video. So we're talking like the 1,000-mile range on this air filter, and it's filthy. So, you know, it's been off-road, it's been on-road, it's been a little bit of everything, but it did make me want to mention that you really want to pay attention to that note and service this air filter more frequently. The bummer is that no, it doesn't have a full off-road air filter that you can clean and oil and does a better job, but you can get a brand new air filter for cheap. So I recommend, this is what I do, I just keep a spare one on hand and then check your air filter in your air box pretty regularly, especially if you went on a pretty gnarly off-road ride. And if it looks really dirty like this one, well, you got another one on hand. Like, you can see the difference here between the two. And just check it. If it's really dirty like this, throw a new one in. If you purely ride on the street, you know, you're going to make it a whole lot farther. But most people probably are going to have a dual sport so they can go off-road and do some trail riding, or at least gravel roads in the summertime, and there's people in cars and there's dust everywhere. So that's really going to be hard on your air filter. So just keep that in mind. You know, like I said, keep a spare one, check it. You know, that way you're ready to go. It takes no time at all. You pop off the side cover, take out the screws, take this off, take the old one out, put the new one in, and off you go. So, you know, that's my tip on the air filter here. I was a little shocked to see how dirty it was and wanted to share that with potential or owners of this bike, just to give you a heads up and do more riding and less wrenching. So I'll put a link to our repair manual in the description. It's not done yet. It will be if you're watching this in the future. And this bike you can get the manual from cyclopedia.com. As usual, it'll have all these step-by-step instructions, color pictures. It'll have tech support. You can order the print book, or you can just sign up online, and it should be a pretty sweet manual.